Hey YouTube, it's KMax978. Gonna show you my bike check. So yeah, let's get going. That's my bike. It's gay. I bought a new frame and pedals. I bought a Verde Regent in black, and then I bought Odyssey JC PC pedals, and they'll be coming tomorrow. I'll probably do unboxing of that. Let's start at the front. Oh yeah, everything green and black duct tape. It's duct tape. Let's start at the front. Make our way back. Colt Barons, Colt Vans grips, Fit Sky High bars, Stolen Convict V3 stem, Stolen Insider 2 seal headset, or integrated headset, Stolen Vortex forks, Alienation rim, Black Ops hub, it's unsealed, Fit FAF 2.3 Eastern Trail Digger frame, let's see, Odyssey Senior 2 C post, Haro cranks, Redline bottom bracket, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Eastern Medusa light sprocket, Salt Warlock half link chain. Oh yeah, front peg is fit, back peg's fit. My back rim is a double wall Eastern rim, Fit FAF 2.3 tire. Eastern right hand drive hub. That's probably it. My hub sounds like crap, but I'll do a hub thing, hub sound check thing. Anyways, but it sounds like crap right now. So hold on a second. But yeah, YouTube, it's me, KMax978. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll be putting up my dance comp unboxing tomorrow. But